Hey guys, today I'll show you how to climb through windows in Project Zomboid. First, if the window is closed, press E while standing next to it to open it. Holding E or right-clicking also gives you the climb through option once open. You cannot sprint straight through windows by running at them. Holding E is the right method. If by any chance the window is locked, you have the option to smash it. Climbing through it with glass shards still on the window frame has a high chance of injury or bleeding, so make sure to remove the glass with an equip item on your hands before climbing through. You can simply open or break windows on the first floor without needing any extra tools. However, when you're on higher floors, climbing through the window without protection will cause fall damage. To avoid injury or death, use a sheet rope, where the steps on how to make one are explained on another video. Once the sheet rope is attached, stand at the window and hold D or right-click and choose Climb Through to descend safely to the ground. If you plan to go back up later, approach the rope from below and hold E again to climb back into the window opening. And that's how you climb through windows in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.